Hi, I'm Kelsey Pearson. This is my course that I'm using for, excuse me, that was the volume, this class for the Schoology Hacks. I really liked the update to my course photo. So if you notice, I kind of just made them physicsy, but didn't really differentiate between the two. I really like having the name on the icon now because even I was having a hard time finding them, but now my kids can as well. And the banner is kind of fun. And then organizing folders. I'm still kind of new to Schoology, and so I'm not quite sure how I'm going to use these right now. I kind of just use it as a way for kids, for me to push things out to kids, and they've complained in the past about being able to find stuff. So I'm thinking maybe just publishing the things that I want when I want them. And that's it.